Hi, Danny here from Scott Country International. Just got back from work and package arrived. Thank you very much, team. Really looking forward to putting this to work. Received the new Vorn EV45 hunting day sack. First impressions, you know, it's got a steel frame, but it's really light. So I'll be really looking forward to putting that to the test. It's got a structured frame at the back here with your steel brace. Good back support system, ventilated, which is nice. Material feels really good, really robust. Yeah, looks really good. I'm looking forward to putting this to test this weekend when it cools down. But what's really good about it, from what I've seen on the clips and all the advertising, which I can't wait to use, is the fact that you store your rifle in the side compartment, which you can see in all the videos. And essentially, there's your toggle. You pull it and it releases the rifle. For me, that's going to be an absolute game changer, especially when I'm coming off the ground, when I'm carrying, you know, whatever I've dispatched, whether it be a deer or whatever else. Put the rifle away. So all I've got to worry about is the thermal, as opposed to thermal, rifle, row sack on the back. Yeah, really nice piece. First impression is it's really good quality made, really well made, good quality. I'll get into the full functionality of the zips and bits and pieces, and I can give you some honest feedback on Sunday when I get out. Anyway, this is Danny from Scott Country International. Out.
That man doesn't know that I am